You might want to save your strength. Why don't have a glass of water?
Sir, what are you doing here?
More importantly, how come you didn't know I was here?
Sir, I'm not expecting you to be dressed like this.
Oh, I'm sorry I didn't live up to your expectations of sartorial elegance. And you, Mr. Sleeper, what happened? You fell asleep?
Sir, I was distracted.
Yes. Everybody seems to like this seat. Let me see why. Not bad, not bad. Why don't you have a seat? So I see you are getting all worked up over the loss of your business partner.
Sir, Savage responsible for that though, you know. I'm sure about it.
Oh, are you?
The man bring my gun, come put on my desk. Whisper say 4 days ago, him see him, Mike and Carlton in at the cemetery.
She right now, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you weren't sleeping then, right? So my darling dear, tell me, what's your theory?
Sir, it's not rocket science. Mike owe him couldn't pay him, and him kill him.
First of all, it's bad business to kill somebody who owe you money you can't get paid. Secondly, what was Savage doing in the cemetery?
Sir, regular routine, go visit him daughter grave.
And what reason would Mike have to go to the cemetery? Let me help you. Mike realized that him can't pay him. So him go to the cemetery to go take him out. Does that fit with your theory?
Sir, are we going to continue to allow this man to get away with these crimes?
Absolutely not. I just solved the case for you, didn't I? I tell you what, let's go make the report now.
We have no evidence, sir.
Wait. What? We have no what? Evidence?
No concrete evidence.
Angie, you were brought back into the service for some very important and big things. But you seem inclined to want to stick with the little fish fry there.
Lick a fish fry, sir?
Yes. Savage is the least of our problem. As a matter of fact, we need it.
You're telling me we need a rogue cop?
There are things that you just don't understand. Savage is one of us. Yes, Trader, but we now need to bring him back into the fold. Trust me when I tell you, we need him.
How we need him, sir? Explain how we need him.
Master, do me a favor. Keep your eye on looking that way. I don't want to go to sleep. Go ahead.